Hello guys, welcome back. In our previous session, we have discussed how to create an Android project and the different project templates given by default in our Android Studio. In this session, we are going to discuss about how to create a virtual device to run the projects or to run applications in Android. So here we will see how to create a new virtual device and how to edit an existing virtual devices, how to run or stop or clear the data of a virtual device, and how to set up a hardware profile or how to read the hardware profile of a particular virtual device. Let's open the project which we created in our previous session. To create a virtual device, go to Tool. You'll find AVD Manager in the Tools. AVD Manager means Android Virtual Device Manager, or else here you'll find the direct symbol for AVD Manager. If you do not have any previously created virtual devices, it will show like this. Creating a virtual device button will be given. You can create a virtual devices for the phones, tablets, watches, TVs, Android Auto and Android Things. Now, as we already know that we are going to work for phone and tablet, choose phone in the category of your device definition window. Here you are going to select your hardware. Select phone. In Android Studio, we will find the predefined Google system images or Google images, where here you can create a new hardware profile or you can import the existing hardware profiles as well. Apart from this, these are all given by the Android Studio by default Google images, what you call it as. If not, you can create your own hardware profile with your respective requirements. Here, these are all the names of the form factors or the names of the phones like this. Nexus. As Android is product of a Google, mostly you'll see all of your Google devices, Google Pixel, Google Nexus 1, something like that. And here you'll see what exactly the type it is, whether it is supporting a Play Store or it is supporting Google Play services. Whenever you see a Play Store icon, these particular virtual images are going to be support Google APIs along with the store action as well. And you'll see the size of the device what you have selected and the resolution, density, such kind of hardware profile will be explained here. If your RAM is more than 80, choose whatever you want. If your RAM is less than 8 GB, so please be careful while choosing the image. Now I'll go for Nexus 5X. Select the size of the device is going to be 5.2. Click on next. Here you'll find 3 tabs: recommended, x86 and other images. The recommended images are given by Android framework. If you see hyperlink called download on the right hand side of the version, then which indicates you have to download that particular system image. How to download a system image we already discussed in our previous sessions. Please go back and check. x86 images. These are all, if you see the recommended images, you'll see all the related to the Google Play, which has a Google Play Store support. x86 images load faster than the Google Play or Google API images. If you see there is Google Play within the bracket, for some images it is showing Google APIs. The difference is Google APIs is nothing but which has an access to the Google Play services. When you see something with Google Play, it has an access to the Play services along with the Play Store as well. That's why they named it Google Play. And if you already have downloaded any particular image, so it will be in a bold text with black text, bold and black text. Let me check how many I have downloaded. 10, Android 9, or both I have. I'm just selecting the queue, which is Android 10. Click on next button. In the next window, it will verify the configuration, whatever we have. So something like the device I have selected is Nexus 5X, which is API level 29 I choose. That's why defaultly giving the name as Nexus 5X API 29. Even you can give your name X, Y, Z, your name, whatever it is. If you want to change the device, you thought of to go with Nexus 5X, but you change your mind. So click on the change button, select any one of your favorite device. Apart from the predefined hardware profiles, you can go for the centralized, or maybe these images or completely generalized images. The version revision range, the resolution range will come here with the different densities. Now I'd like to go for pixel, the more high-end RAM, that is 1140 pixel XL. So select, click on OK. Now this has been changed to this Android 5.5, so and so. But I don't suggest you to go for higher and big images. Please make sure your image selection should be as simple as possible. This device I'm going for Nexus 5X, so which will load fast, which has the enability or the flexibility of Google Play services as well. Click on OK, and you can choose which version you are expecting. So Q version, if you want to go for KitKat only, or maybe the Pi, you can select its Pi. Either you want it in load to be in a portrait mode or landscape mode. If you're expecting your mobile to be, means your emulator should be load with landscape mode, select this. Default it will be portrait. Click on finish button. So successfully this particular Android virtual device has been created. So sometimes it may take a little longer than usual if your RAM is consumed a lot. So now you can see all the features, what type of that form factor it is, what is the name of the device, whether it belongs to Play Store or Play. It does not belongs to Play Store, so it's simply showing Play empty. The resolution is 1080 by 1920 with the 400 dpi. The level is 28 level. The target is Android 9.0 I have taken. The image type is x86. The size on the disk is so and so. Then we have some remaining action buttons like to run, next to edit, and you have more options, overflow button. So when you click on this, it's going to launch your virtual device. Click on this. You'll see an indicator like starting AVD. It may take sometimes longer than usual. If you do not see, don't double click again. Just click once and wait until unless the starting AVD indicator pops up. Now you can see it's something like when you purchase a new device, when you're unboxing, after unboxing, what you do, you'll check how does it look like. That's what it's power on or is getting on, and with loading the Android Studio here. So now it's just like your real device. It has every default application like contacts, calendar, mail, all these has been already given. Now close this window. How to run a application? Just simple. Go to run button, click on run app. Automatically you'll see the Gradle build running indicator here. Open your Android virtual device and let us see how it's going to run. The Gradle build is running. When you are creating a project or running a project for the first time in a day, so it will take little longer than usual. It is installing, you can see launching activity. The activity has been launched, it's showing hello world. So till now we have not touched any of the file, and did not type a single line of code in the project. So from where it has come, this is the UI where it should looks like. Hello world is the only text we have. So it is showing only hello world here. This is action bar, status bar, and all. This is how we are going to run our project in Android virtual device. Thank you guys. Let's catch up in the next session.